Hi, my name is Tunga. I'm the head at Gateway High School, a senior school in co-ed senior school in Harare. If you live in Zimbabwe, you'll appreciate the fact that power is an issue, and our industry is fully reliant on power. We have media in all our classrooms, so all of that is reliant on power, and we kept getting hit with power cuts. So obviously the first thing we did was put in a Jenny. But we had a huge fuel bill because of how long the power cuts were. So we needed a solution that was going to work seamlessly and also reduce the costs. So we looked around at different types of solutions and ended up coming across solar energy projects. Solar energy projects ended up putting the 100 kilowatt system in for us about a month ago. So we've been running it just to see its performance, and it's been absolutely amazing. We haven't gone down at all since we've put it in. A teacher has been able to plan exactly what they want to do during the course of the day, and there's been absolutely no interruptions. So we're really grateful to have that system. The other advantage with that system is that we're hoping to reduce our electricity bill and totally actually remove it completely once the net metering starts. So we're hoping to have that in soon, and that'll be another advantage. So we've managed to really enjoy three aspects of this. The first one is that everything is seamless now. We don't go down, so you can plan properly. The second thing, we've been able to eliminate the fuel bill with the generator, and thirdly, we're looking forward to eliminating the ZESA bill. So it's been an amazing project, and we're really grateful to our parents committee, who are the ones that funded this project, and also grateful to Solar Energy Projects, who are the ones who put in and designed the system, which is working immaculately. So thank you, and I hope that you guys will also consider doing a project of this magnitude.